Understanding land, its importance, value, and uses. Land is a term that embodies much more than just dirt or space. In economics, real estate, and business, land denotes a specific area of the Earth's surface complete with property lines, which is often tied to rights over the natural resources present above, on, and below its surface. Let's delve deeper into what land is, its characteristics, valuation, uses, and its role in economics. Definition of land. In the business realm, land refers primarily to real estate or properties that are defined by fixed spatial boundaries. Ownership of land generally extends to the natural resources that exist within these boundaries, which may include minerals, oil, gas, and even flora and fauna. Characteristics of land. Physical attribute. Land signifies the surface of the earth, which can support structures and vary vastly in utility. Property ownership includes not just the surface, but the minerals below and the air space above the land. Natural asset. Land is considered an invaluable natural resource. Elements such as trees, water bodies, and even wildlife contribute to its value. Additionally, land can support various natural features such as soils, topography, and climate, further cementing its worth. Land ownership. Land ownership is a significant aspect of property rights. It encompasses the legal ability to use, sell, lease, or otherwise profit from the land. Ownership can transfer via deeds, wills, or gifts. Importantly, land is one of the oldest forms of collateral. It provides security to lenders since it is permanent and cannot be easily stolen or relocated. Land in economics. In traditional economics, land is classified as one of the three core factors of production alongside labor and capital. The value of land emerges from its utility in production processes. Unlike labor or capital, land is not consumed but can support both residential and commercial projects. Land valuation. Land valuation is a critical aspect of real estate that assesses how much a parcel of land is worth. Various factors influence land value, including location. Proximity to essential services such as hospitals, schools, and public transportation can significantly enhance land value. Natural resources. The presence of valuable natural resources like minerals and oil can drive up land's worth substantially. Condition and size. The physical and environmental state of the land, including its size, impacts its overall value. An independent real estate appraiser usually determines the land's value, which is crucial for real estate transactions, property taxes, and investments. Land use. The concept of land use pertains to the ways in which land is utilized to serve human and societal needs. Key categories of land use include residential, areas designed for housing and living accommodations. Commercial, zones designated for businesses, retail, and services. Industrial, locations allocated for manufacturing and production. Agricultural, land used for farming, livestock rearing, and cultivation. Recreational, spaces intended for leisure activities such as parks and sports complexes. Transportation, infrastructure such as roads, railways, and airports. Ongoing land use can greatly affect the environment and may lead to issues of sustainability and conservation. As such, land use is regulated by municipal zoning laws that can dictate how land can be developed and maintained. Investing in land. Investment in land carries significant potential for returns, particularly when considered as a long-term asset. Many investors look to buy land for development, whether commercial or residential. However, the process can be fraught with risks, including fluctuating market values, regulatory challenges, and environmental considerations. Despite its risks, land investment can yield profitable opportunities, especially in urban areas with growing populations, or in regions with rich natural resources. Investors often benefit from land appreciation over time, which can result in considerable capital gains. Conclusion. Land serves myriad functions, economically as a factor of production, socially as a domicile for communities, and as an investment vehicle. Its value is determined by various external factors including location, access to resources, and regulations that govern its use. Understanding these elements is essential for anyone interested in real estate, economics, or environmental management. By analyzing the features, uses, and monetary value of land, one can appreciate its significant role in both individual wealth accumulation and broader economic frameworks. Whether for personal use, development, or investment, land remains a cornerstone asset in our society, reflecting both its historical importance and contemporary value.